to our review of the Cadillac Beach Hotel and Beach Club. We stayed here in November after our cruise. This video will show you around the hotel, the amenities and the beach, and then we give you an exclusive tour of the room, which was on the 11th floor, and all the facilities that are included. So today we're in the Cadillac
Beach Club Hotel.
Yeah, we're using it through day use because our flight tonight is until 10:30 and we were out off the ship by about 9:30, weren't we, this morning. So this is the room. We'll put prices up just to let you know. So there's a lovely big mirror there, and then you've got all these, you've got tea pods, coffee pods, which are complimentary. Everything else has got a charge, as you can see there. And also you've got champagne, etc. in the fridge.
There's 2 bottles of water complimentary.
Yeah, complimentary water. Television is pretty good. Inside here you've got a nice comfy chair, bedside cabinets. Is there any USBs, Mike? Anywhere? I love these lights hanging down.
No, 2 US plugs on the side here.
Oh yeah, let's have a look, pop it up. Oh, they're American.
Yeah.
Oh, not USB though.
No US.
Oh yeah, just US. And then we are on a corner plot, so it is a unusual shaped room. So I will.
See again with this. Oh yeah, look. Here's your charging device here.
Yeah.
Cable, blue, got all 2 USBs there, more sockets there. 2 o'clock radio as well, that's good.
Yeah, good. I do like these lights, really pretty.
And so, over this side, look at this funky phone.
Oh yeah, weird. So yeah, it's an unusual shaped room, but it is because it's on the corner. We do have a balcony. Our 2 other sets of friends who we booked exactly the same king room, they haven't, they've just got a window, so we've been really lucky. So this is the balcony.
We're on the 11th floor.
Yeah, so we're pretty high up. So I'll come across to the corner here, Mike, and have a look at the view. So it's a really nice view of South Beach of Miami. I say we're only staying here for the day. It's 10 AM till 8 PM. And the charge was $139, but there's lots of little taxes and tourist tax and etc, etc. So I'll let you know at the end how much it actually cost us for this room. But we're very pleased with it. We've had a lovely day down between the beach and the swimming pool. They've got a main swimming pool, they've got an adult only pool, and they've got beds on the beach. The only thing you have to pay for is umbrellas. It's quite windy out on this balcony and you may not be able to hear me, so this is quite nice too. So all in all, oh, there's a big cupboard here as well. Right, do you want to just open that up for me?
Yeah.
Alright, so you've got a safe. There's our clothes from our way home.
Dressing gowns, ironing board. And an iron.
So it's got everything you want, and it's just a great idea if you like us and you're off the ship early and you've got that 10 o'clock, well, 10:30 flight back to Heathrow. It's just worth it. So this is the bathroom in a standard king room. It's beautiful. I love it. The shower is massive. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks very inviting. Oh, you're testing the bed. Even though we're not staying here. Go on.
1, 2, 3.
Nice?
Can we stay?
No, we have to go home. I apologise about my cough. It just will not go. So, yeah, happy with that?
What about that for a viewing about your bed?
Let's see. Oh, yeah. Really nice.
Oh, yeah, beautiful. Oh, the beach was lovely. The waves were good.
Yeah.
Lovely sand. Just a really lovely place. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed our little tour of the Cadillac. As I say, I'll put the total price we paid at the end of the video, just so you know, but we definitely recommend it. And it's about 15-20 minutes from the airport, so it's good.